Okay, class, take a seat. So, the last time we talked about this, we were just...
Oh my
Why
god,
can't he
this
just
guy.
shut up?
This guy's literally the
He
least
just-
funny
why can't
person
he shut
in
up? It's like-
existence.
As I
Like,
was saying, the last time we were talking about this, we went in...
Yeah.
Oh, can we pursue our education?
How is he still going? Yo, can you stop?
Bro, it's literally so funny. Like,
Oh, it's not. No one is laughing.
bro, relax. I got a good one. Hey, teacher.
What do you want, Doug?
Is it true that you don't have a car?
Is it true that you don't have friends?
Oh my
God,
God,
bro, can we say that to a student?
What did you say?
No, answer the question. I may not have a car, but at least people like me.
Yo, he's
Guys,
speaking
insane.
facts, but he
What's
can't
wrong?
say.
Teacher, relax. Watch it.
Watch what? Watch your grade in this class go down? Huh?
Yo, he is dumb, but come on, dude.
You can't say that to a student.
You can't have a 20 in this class and act like a jerk, so just sit down and shut. Teacher, I'm hearing a lot of yelling in here. Is everything okay? Oh yeah, of course. Then why is Doug on the floor crying?
He hurt my feelings.
You're fired.